Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about descriptive adjectives. Let's get started. Remember that an adjective is a word or set of words that modifies, in other words, describes a noun or pronouns. Note that adjectives may come before or after the word they modify, as in the example over here. This is a cute cat. The adjective cute describes the noun cat, and it comes before the noun. And in this sentence, this cat is cute. Again, the adjective cute modifies or describes the noun cat, but it comes after the noun. Note that descriptive adjectives describe nouns or pronouns in detail by giving an attribute to that particular word. Remember that they usually express things through the five senses: touch, taste, sight, smell, and sound. Have a look at the example over here. This is a delicious sandwich. Now the adjective delicious modifies or describes the taste of the sandwich. Note that descriptive adjectives can be organized into the following categories. A. Simple adjectives are the most basic type of descriptive adjectives. Have a look at the example below. It was a beautiful day yesterday. Clear sky, sweet smell of blossoming trees, green grass, cheerful people. It seemed as if the world had united to celebrate the coming of spring. Note that the adjective beautiful describes the day. Clear describes the sky. Sweet, the smell of blossoming trees. Green, color of the grass. Cheerful, feeling of the people. B. Compound adjectives are created when two words are combined to create a descriptive adjective. Now the two words are typically connected with a hyphen, as in the example below. Pam was a baby-faced, long-legged girl. Baby-faced and long-legged are adjectives that describe the girl, and they are connected with a hyphen. Now let's review the use of descriptive adjectives and practice a bit. Remember that we use descriptive adjectives to describe nouns or pronouns in detail by giving them an attribute to that particular word. Read the following sentence and underline these adjectives. We bought a spacious apartment in a quiet part of our town. Spacious, quiet. Note that descriptive adjectives usually express things through the five senses: touch, taste, sight, smell, and sound. Read the following sentence and underline these adjectives. The food smelled awful. It tasted horrible, and it did not look tasty. Awful, horrible, tasty. Remember that we express such aspects as feelings, time, sound, quantity, taste, appearance, size, age, color, shape, and material through simple adjectives. Read the following sentence and underline these adjectives. I wanted to buy 3 white wooden chairs. 3. White wooden. Also note that we form compound descriptive adjectives by combining two words, usually with a hyphen. Read the following sentence and underline these adjectives. Anne is an example of a girl next door. She's sweet, kind, and has a lot in common with boys. Next door. Make sure to always pay attention to the order of adjectives in a sentence. Read the following sentences and arrange the adjectives in their proper places. When we were kids, my friend was a funny-looking short boy, and he grew up to be a tall, young, drop-dead gorgeous man. When we were kids, my friend was a funny-looking short boy, and he grew up to be a drop-dead, gorgeous, tall, young man. Here is a short story using descriptive adjectives. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. I've heard that you are going to move abroad next month. Yes, that's true. We are going to sunny Spain. I think I know the reason behind this. After living here in ice-cold Finland, you want something less depressing, weather-wise. Yeah, exactly. We want to explore the narrow streets of Madrid, dine at small family restaurants, enjoy magnificent sunsets. You're going to love it there then. And now it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and underline the descriptive adjectives. A. I saw a lovely young, good, intelligent, fascinating woman, such as I had never met before. B. To understand the mystery of this uninteresting, good, simple-hearted man who argued with such wearisome good sense. C. And he kept near the more solid people, looking listless and superfluous, with a submissive, uninterested expression as though he had never been brought there for sale. Read the following sentences and form compound descriptive adjectives. A. If someone resembles a bird, he is. B. If someone broke your heart, you are. C. If you use your left hand to do everything, you are. Now read the following sentences and put the adjectives into the correct order. A. Jim drew a picture of dragons, three-headed two. B. Jack bought a or an ring, diamond, expensive engagement. C. She was a lady, self-centered, young. Now, let's check your answers. I saw a lovely young, good, intelligent, fascinating woman such as I had never met before. To understand the mystery of this uninteresting, good, simple-hearted man who argued with such wearisome good sense. And he kept near the more solid people, looking listless and superfluous, with a submissive, uninterested expression, as though he had never been brought there for sale. If someone resembles a bird, he is bird-like. If someone broke your heart, you are broken-hearted. If you use your left hand to do everything, you are left-handed. Jim drew a picture of two three-headed dragons. Jack bought an expensive diamond engagement ring. She was a self-centered young lady. Thank you for watching this tutorial.